In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Notion in just 5 minutes. The integration between these two platforms can streamline your workflow significantly, allowing you to keep all your important dates and tasks organized in one central location. So, let's get started and make your planning more efficient. First, you'll want to navigate to the Notion calendar. If you haven't yet installed the app, make sure to do that beforehand, as you'll need it to follow along. Once the app is ready to go, open it up. You'll quickly realize how powerful and intuitive Notion is. It's a fantastic tool for managing projects, but its full potential is unlocked when you integrate it with other apps, like Google Calendar. Next, after opening the app, you should click to sign in with your Google account. A few things to keep in mind here. Ensure that you're using the account linked to the calendar events you wish to import. It'll save you a lot of time later and help to avoid unnecessary confusion. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to log in. This connection is crucial for ensuring that all of your data is shared between both platforms effectively. Once you've signed in, you'll see a series of prompts asking you to allow Notion Calendar to access your Google account and calendar events. This step is quite easy but essential for the integration process. Allow these permissions because they will facilitate the syncing process, ensuring all your appointments and reminders are available in both Notion and Google Calendar. This step enhances your productivity, as you won't have to switch between apps to keep track of your schedule. After granting access, your Google Calendar events will now begin to appear in the Notion Calendar app. It might take a moment to populate, depending on the number of events you have. So don't worry if it doesn't happen immediately. This synchronization means you'll have a singular view of all your engagements, making it simpler to manage your time and priorities. Finally, one of the most significant advantages of this integration is that any changes made in either app will automatically sync to the other. So whether you update something in Google Calendar or in Notion, both apps will reflect the changes. This feature eliminates the hassle of double entry, making it effortless to maintain consistency across your platforms and ensure you don't miss out on any important dates. And there you have it, a seamless way to connect Google Calendar to Notion, enhancing your ability to plan and execute tasks efficiently. This simple yet powerful adjustment can transform the way you organize your professional and personal life, giving you more time to focus on what really matters. Thank you for tuning in. And be sure to check out more tips and tricks to boost your productivity.